We will take the next question. This question came on WhatsApp. My name is Sultan and I'm from Dubai. My mother has a substantial saving through allowances from her children and occasional gifts. Is it obligatory for her to give zakat considering it's not her income and only her saving? As far as zakat is concerned, every adult Muslim who has a saving, any adult, even if it's a non-adult, the adult who's a guardian should give zakat on behalf. Any Muslim who has a saving of more than the nisab level 85 grams of gold, for 1 lunar year, if he or she keeps it, they have to give zakat, irrespective it is whether from the income, whether from the gift, whether from the allowance. As long as they keep a saving of more than 85 grams of gold for more than 1 lunar year, then that individual, male or female, including your mother, she has to give 2.5% of that saving every lunar year in zakat. It's compulsory.